Question 25. In triangles ABC and DEF, angles B and E each have measure 27 degrees and angles C and F each have measure 41 degrees. Which additional piece of information is sufficient to determine whether triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF? Okay, so we're looking to prove that they are congruent, not just similar. So even though we know that they are going to be similar because they both have two corresponding angles, which by definition means that the third one also has to be corresponding, we have to have extra information to prove that they're congruent, meaning they not only have the same angles, but the same side lengths. So the measure of angle A is not going to help. We already know that all of the angles correlate to each other because we know that they're similar. And then no additional information is incorrect as well. And so the length of side AB, well, that would not prove that they're congruent because that would only prove the side length of one. So B is actually not going to tell us anything about whether the two triangles are congruent, because to prove that two things are congruent, we can't just say one thing about one of the things. We have to prove something is the same between two of them. And so that's what C is doing here. If we know that the lengths of one of the sides of one of the triangles and one of the sides of the other triangle are the same, then we know that the triangles are congruent. And if those two sides were not the same, then we know that they're not congruent. So the answer is going to be C.